Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is America's secret weapon Hellfire R9X. Recently, US President Joe Biden announced that Al-Qaeda chief Ayman al-Zawahiri has been killed in a drone strike by the US military during an operation. Hellfire R9X missile was used in this attack. Al-Zawahiri was a major conspirator of the 9/11 terrorist attacks in the US. He was included in the list of America's most wanted terrorists. Now, information about Hellfire R9X. It is the R9X variant of the Hellfire and is equipped with state-of-the-art technology. It is a secret missile specially designed and developed by the US. It is a deadly weapon equipped with a long blade. It does not explode, but through its blades, it hits the target directly. That's why it is also called ninja missile. It is a warheadless missile and strikes small targets accurately. The aim of this missile is to reduce civilian and property damage in the war on terrorism. Note that before this, R9X came into the limelight in 2017 when Abu al-Khair al-Masri, a senior leader of Al-Qaeda in Syria, was killed in a drone strike. It was developed during the tenure of former US President Barack Obama.